Alright, welcome back for another video from TDL DIY. So today we're going to be taking the footwells and all in here we're going to have to put new webbing in. It's probably a better way to look at it. So I was going to go buy some fabric. I was looking online, stuff like that. And basically what I've come up with is take this old ratchet strap, see? And that's pretty much the same webbing that I'd be buying anyways. And I already had one kicking around. I like the red color and it should fit just about perfect in there. It's about 1 inch material. And of course we don't need this side anymore. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it up in to the proper lengths and weave it in. That's all there is to it. They're all individual pieces, but they're just gonna be weaved and stuff like that. And as you can tell just in here, so it's going to come in and then out, and then it does that weave to lock it in and secure it in place. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. I'm going to show you a little bit on this one. I'm going to cut them, pre-cut them, and then we'll get back to you guys and we'll show you kind of how I'll do one before I come back, and then I'm going to show you the process of a couple other ones. But I want to just kind of pre-cut them, and we'll burn the ends to make sure that they won't unfray, and we'll get back to you right quick. So we just cut the end off this piece here. We'll just show you, we'll just kind of burn it up so that it won't unfray on us. There we go, should be good. Then we'll get the proper measurement and or a guesstimate, I guess. And we'll go with that and we'll cut it. Alright guys, so we did one. I'm not sure if this is the best way to do it to lock it in, but this is the way it looks. And then from the top, it's just a solid one, right? So we're gonna do the ones that go across first. I'm not sure if this is the best way, guys. If there's a better way, please share, because then it'll hold better. So yeah, if you have a better way, please let me know and I can change this out. But so far I think this will be a way that will hold and should be okay. And then back up, just like that. There we go. So now we'll move on to this part right here. I think this is the way it was. I had to cut all the other ones off because they're all, I touched it and it was like falling apart. So it was very weather beaten and sun faded and it was no more good. That's why we're replacing this today. And I think it will look pretty good. Just have to keep it about even. Okay, now so we've completed this part of it. Now we're gonna have to get the weave part. So that's what that kind of looks like right now. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. I think it looks alright. So that's one side, and it just gives a nice little spot for your foot to rest, and I think it works pretty good. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to do the same to the other side, so no change. And these ends I'm probably just going to flip up and I don't know, put a little glue or just trim them up and reburn the ends here. But on this side it looks pretty good, and I think on the ATV it's going to look really good, guys. So for the material for you to buy online, it would probably cost a little bit more than getting a couple, you know, a set of 2. Ratchet straps come in many different colors, come in blue, red. I had a blue set, but I had a pair of 2 in blue, but one side got covered in oil and stuff, so the color would have been really good against the quad because it'd be blue on black on everything. But I think the red would, I had this and I think it would stand out pretty nice. And I think it, you know, it's a kind of a safety thing. So it being red, I think, so we're gonna have the black machine, the frame, the body's all blue with some black accents that's gonna happen. So I think the red will just tie it all in. I think it'll look really sharp, guys. With the red, like I said, it's kind of like a safety thing to put your foot on, so I think it's not a bad color to go with. You could have went with yellow, but I don't think the yellow would have mixed well. And this is what I already had, these ratchet straps, so I'm not complaining. It didn't really cost me anything. I had these kicking around. They weren't the greatest ratchet straps to begin with, so I might as well repurpose some of the material so that for one, it saves me a little bit of money to go out and buy either more ratchet straps or some of the material that I would have had to buy online. So this worked out really good for my project, and it's a good way to repurpose some maybe old stuff that you may have, and yeah, it works really good. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, there'll be more of this, and more of this type of build with this ATV. There's lots to come. Don't forget, we're going to be hooking up the motor, see if it starts here pretty shortly. Probably in the next week. I thought I would do this in the meantime, just to get a video out for you guys, and it's something different and new that we can try, like sew in your own ATV seats. We did in a previous video with the electric ATV. So if you like this stuff, keep watching, and don't forget,
Don't stop worrying.
all right,